what are, okay, so I dig then a little bit more, and I said, but you have an experiment, can you describe something from another dimension? And they were searching in their brain, and I said, well, can you something the most extraordinary that you have heard about, because I wanted to have a result. and they said, well, yes, there is something. And then they started talking about the CERN portal. There's a portal for the LHC. There's a door, a round door, like in the Stargate. And I don't know if it's as big. Yeah, there is one picture that the person is quite small, actually, on it. You can go and look for those interested. Go and type CERN portal LHC door, and you will see. So in front of the door, they have a room. They probably have many doors, but they have a room, and they sit around the table. And I said, so yeah, what happened? He said, well, an entity came from this portal, and like it sat at the table. And I was like, but how is this what do you mean entity? Is it a person? Is it an alien? What color? Are they like us? And they couldn't answer anything. They said, no, it's not. We know, we just know it at CERN. And they cannot describe it, but they have it secondhand. It's not third, fourth. It's a very good friend who knows. And so I said, okay, I have to find something more, because that's not enough. So I said, can you proof? And is there a proof that they bring, that they give something? There's some document. And they said that this entity the second time took a scarf and left a scarf. I said, what type of scarf? And they don't know. They're not into the detail. They were really into the event and not the detail. And this entity left again. So that's the short scoop that started me trying to look for that. And so what I did is I went to look into the CERN research agenda, and I saw all those very strange names for everything, but especially around the eclipse that was announced on the 8th of April, 23, if I remember. They said that they would start again the collider, because they had stopped it in 2018. There had been a problem. So very strange, there was a problem, but they started it again. And I thought maybe there's something strange going on, because we are in a war for me. We are in either